Hi, good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rosbelia Paclauna. I'm 32 years old and I have 2 kids. My eldest is 13 and my youngest is 10 years old. And I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters.
Can you tell me about your working experience before?
My working experience in Philippines is taking care of the children and also cooking, cleaning, ironing, and Washington.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I come to Hong Kong because I need that salary, that higher salary is provide to my children to finish their study and provide my needs families.
Okay, if you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children?
My mother and my husband.
Okay, are you scared dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Any food doesn't eat? Are you allergic to any food?
No, ma'am.
What food can you cook?
Filipino food, ma'am, like adobo and menudo.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept no day off that will be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept take your older person and assist them all their needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Please, to my future employer, please hire me because I am hardworking and I can take care of your kids and I'm honest and cheerful.
Can you promise to finish your 3 years contract in Hong Kong?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong
You're
Kong.
welcome, ma'am.